Hey, planner babes. What is going on? All right, so we are here today to plan the second week of March in my daily duo. There she is, blank slate, babes. So we again are going to be using another sexy kit from TraciiRaes, okay? So just in case, if you were wondering, I am a PR girl for TraciiRaes. Look at this. Okay, here, let me just go over this real quick with you. Okay, so you get these. Of course, there are numbers for them, okay? Then you get bottom boxes, and these are calendar covers, okay? Then you get hourly. These are half hour. These are a full hour block in there. There are some additional ones somewhere. Oh, maybe not. Oh, here they are. They're on the bottom. I knew they were somewhere. So there's some extra ones here. You get some scripts. Beautiful. A couple of these little ditties. All you guys were like, those are so cute. And then some page flags and some icons. Build, do, and habit trackers. All right, that's like $10. If I'm not mistaken, but here is my sampler. So if you enter Sarah15, you will get my sampler and 15% off all non-sale items. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so I dropped the dots on, and we're just gonna put these babies in there. How's that sound? Let's go. Let's do it. So cute. Okay, so let's see. Let's drop some bottom boxes. See what we got here. There we are. All right, so sometimes they matchy, and I like that. So let's go. Woohoo! Look how freaking pretty they are. That is awesome. They're so pretty. Okay, so let's start. We're just gonna do Monday and call it a day. Literally. What do you say? All right, so I think we can use one or two of these. I also have another trick up my sleeve. Hold on. Yep. Oh yeah. We got this. So these are from Daily Dose of Stickers, and it is just a straight up March color kit, and I love them. Okay, so check that out. Sometimes it's nice to just have those exact colors that you know what I mean? You know this is exactly what you're looking for, so perfect. All right, let's pick and choose what we want here, right? Okay. So if you know me, you know I love these. Oh, they are just so adorable. All right, so we're gonna go across here. And then, oh, I am putting them on Tuesday. Okay, yep, good job, Sarah. Let's just start that again. Take it from the top. Love it. All right, next up, we have Zuna. Cool. Probably a couple other things on here that I could use, but I don't really know just yet. You know I'm loving all up on this thing. I don't think I'm gonna use that in here though, because I'm gonna track that in my petite and my wellness, so we're not gonna do that here. All right, so real quick, let's drop some pen. Get. I could doodle that. I'll doodle that next time. Okay, now I think that this is gonna get cut in half. Ta-da! Okay, planning time. Definitely right here. Love that. Boom. I have no idea what we're having for dinner yet. It's a Monday and I want to do something nice and easy. But other than that, guys, we are finished. I like it. I'm loving the colors in this. There's no neutral for me. All about it. All about the color. Love it. Yeah, I don't know what else I could highlight in here. I think it looks awesome. Drop a little pay day. Ta-da! Alright, guys. So I want you to get down there and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, do all the things, and I will catch you on the flip side. The road to 750 continues. Let's go. Peace.